Right, guys, if you've been in the trading space long enough, I'm sure you've heard this statement a couple of times that strategy doesn't matter. I should be, I should, I should be slapping you for that. I should be slapping you for that statement. But to be honest, that was just a joke, right? To be honest, strategy does matter because as human beings, we're emotional beings as well. But not just logical, okay? Like I know that when you type down those figures on your calculator, it makes sense, right? Overall, it makes sense. 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 2 hour here and there. It makes sense, okay? Even if the 2 hour takes you 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 2 months to get it, you understand? It makes sense. But we're emotional. What keeps us with a strategy? What keeps us in the market trading, right, is our emotions. You understand? Emotionally, you want to get money. You understand? You can't cut off your emotions immediately. I mean, an experienced trader will be able to relate with this. Okay, not every strategy is good for your mental capital, your mental investment in your trading. You understand? There are a lot of traders who are depressed because the strategy that they are with, all right, the strategy that they are applying to the marketplace, it doesn't help their psychology. All right, we blame everything on psychology and leave strategy out of the picture, but that's a lie because I don't see you going very far in trading with a 30% win rate. Although you can, all right, you can, but your mental capital. I mean, look at an equity curve. If you don't know what an equity curve is, right, you can check my FX book. You see what an equity curve is. Now, that equity curve is that line graph that you see is directly correlated to the emotions of the trader. It's not correlated to the just okay, well, you get what I'm saying. It's correlated to directly to the emotions of the trader, your emotional capital, your mental capital. You understand? If a strategy makes it difficult for you to stay with it long term, okay, if a strategy makes it difficult for you to stay with it long term because the methodology doesn't really, it works here and there, but then it fails a lot. You understand? It's not easy for you as a trader to stick with it long term. Let's be honest. You understand? Not everybody can withstand a 20 day losing streak or 20 losses in a row. You understand? If you take 20 losses in a row, my opinion is likely maybe you might not understand your strategy well, or you need to take out time to refine, or you have to change your strategy. You understand? Strategy does matter. Strategy does matter. I mean, look at the top guys that are pulling out money from proprietary firms, right? Strategy matters, bro. Strategy matters. Let's not deceive ourselves. All right. Peace and love, guys. I hope this helps.